So we have here, it's nicely packaged. Box. I love how the amount of money you spend, it should be packaged nicely, but as you can see here, the box is packaged quite nicely. Let me back it up for y'all. And then we're gonna open up this box and we're gonna get into it. Okay. This is one of those pop-up type things. As you can see, I gotta bear with me because that cheap behind stand I bought broke. And I'm kind of doing this. I'm in my pajamas. I really don't want to be in front of the camera. So y'all just gonna have to bear with me.
Music licensing reimagined.
My mama ain't with the faking.
So hey y'all, it's after midnight and I'm in front of the camera. I do not like this front facing camera, but I just wanted y'all to see my hair too. I did get my hair done on Wednesday, the day of my birthday. And I just got some, what they call these rope twists. Y'all can see how much my hair has grown. I could officially say that I am about tailbone length now. 5 years. May 1st was 5 years. I liked when my hair was in a bun because it was out of my face. It's hot, and I do tend to keep a lock sock on my hair to keep it kind of back and out of my face. So I got so much hair. But we about to get into this purse in a minute. Let me just get my hair out of my face. Okay, there we go. So this is the pouch that it's in. Y'all already saw the box. Just in case some of y'all haters out there. This is my receipt from the Gucci store in Scottsdale. I wanted a new bag because I got tired of carrying around that grandma bag. Sometimes I don't holster my gun and I want to put it in my bag, and my Louis Vuitton bag is small. It just, I mean, the gun would barely fit and it would just be too heavy. So I needed something. I always wanted another bag. I'm not a big person, but I do need to have something. I don't like to have something that I have to carry on my arm. So I do like crossbody bags. And so I was gonna get a Gucci bum bag. I actually saw this in the men's Gucci store. You know, here the men's and the women's Gucci store are separated, and so is Louis Vuitton. And so we went in there because my husband was looking for a pair of sneakers and a belt. And I said, hey, that's nice. And I thought about it, and I was gonna get the bum bag. But I was watching videos today and I came across this bag and I said, well, I'll try both. When I got into the store, I tried it. My husband said, you already have a bag like the other one, get something different. And so I got this bag. Isn't this nice? They also had this in black, but I like the signature canvas print. And so, as you can see, it has this, I guess they call them D-rings on the side. Very nice hardware, very pretty. It's the zipper. It's supposed to, I guess she put everything in the bag. Okay. Yeah, so she separated everything and she told me that she was going to do that. Inside the bag is a very big space. You have a big pocket right here. And these are the little booklets that kind of tell you about the information on the bag. But this is a really deep pocket right here, and a really deep space. Inside is their signature canvas on the outside. What I also liked about this bag is kind of like a 2-in-1. So these are the accessories that came on the bag. She packaged each one separately. So you got your big bag dust bag that you could put your bag in. Oh, yeah, my back hurts. I'm tired. It's been a long day today. So you can also, this is the little bag. You can also carry this like a clutch as well. So you could put it on either side. The clutch is the nice hardware, gold hardware, nice leather strap. And you could put it on either side of the bag. So because that's in the way, I think I'll put it over here. And then I can show y'all how to look. Give me a minute. So this is how it looks with the clutch. And you could just, you know, I ain't about to stand up. I told you I'm in my pajamas, but you know, you could carry it, you know, as a clutch, you know, around your arm. So that was another plus with this bag. And then the next one, she packaged all the accessories separately, which was very nice of her. She was so nice, my essay. She was like, call me for anything that you need, and I'll search all over to get it for you. So it comes with the belt. Your nice hardware on here, leather. And it has the green and red Gucci straps, so you can use it. This is like your crossbody thing. So let's see, we're gonna get this on. So this is how it looks. Sorry if I cut y'all off. So yeah, you can wear it like this. You can wear it as a purse like this. Of course, I'm gonna wear it like this because I don't want to be holding anything. That was my whole purpose for getting this bag. Again, you can you can use it if you don't want to use the strap. Say you're going out and you know you don't want to use it as a crossbody. You just take the straps off and you can carry it, you know, as a clutch or a wrist bag. You can even take this off, as you can see. So this is she. I needed a bigger bag again. For times when I don't feel like holstering my gun, I do need a bag to put it in. And I just got tired of carrying around that old grandma bag. So, I went and got this. So, pretty much showed you everything about the bag. It's a very nice material. I really don't like using this front-facing camera because it's not the best. The back is the best, but then I can't see what I'm doing. Very, very, very nice bag. this bag, in case some of y'all want to know, it's a really nice bag. It retailed at $14.90, and with tax it was $1609.95, and that's how much it was for anybody that's interested. And on top of it, it was the last one in this color that they had in the store. They did have the all black, but so let's see what will fit in this bag. Let's see what I want to really fit in this bag. I know what'll fit in here, but let's see what I really want to fit in this bag. And no, it ain't safe. I'm not doing all of that. It's after midnight, because it ain't gonna be safe when it's going in my bag. So no problems, with a whole bunch of room left to spare. Let me see, put it in the pocket. But yes, put it with a whole lot of room to spare. So it's exactly what I wanted it for. Now, am I gonna show y'all this? I'm gonna do it in a separate video. I'll be right back. It's gonna be a separate video. Peace. Be right back.